A is for apple board. Apple board. B is for broccoli. The broccoli. C is for carrot. Carrot. D is for drumstick. Drumstick. E is for eggplant. Eggplant. F is for fennel. Fennel. G is for garlic. Garlic. H is for horseradish. Horseradish. I is for Indian prune. Indian prune. J is for jamberry. Jamberry. K is for kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. L is for lady's finger. Lady's finger. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. N is for napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. O is for onion. Onion. P is for potato. Potato. Q is for quince. Quince. R is for radish. Radish. S is for sweet corn. Sweet corn. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. W is for whitlow. Whitlow. X is for Ximenia cafra. Y is for yam. Yam. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.